Hello friends, my name is Christopher. Today I'm talking about setting your fence posts in concrete. This is a surprisingly divisive topic. Well, to begin with, as I said in my previous video talking about drilling the holes for these, you can watch YouTube videos until you're blue in the face, read on forums, and experts from all around the country are divided in terms of what they think is the best. So you have to do your own research and determine what is right for you. In terms of concrete, I live in Wisconsin, in the United States. We get cold winters. I ultimately ended up going with Quickcrete, right? Just a quick setting concrete and a variant of that at our Menards, which is our big box store of the area. That was rated for this type of work in our climate. My fence post holes are 24 to 30 inches below the surface level, which is well below our frost line. That's a must-have for my area. And I used about 2 bags, 2.5 bags per hole in my case to get me back up to the soil line here. Quickcrete will have instructions for you about mixing water in along the way, but it really is the simplest form, just dry mixing as opposed to dealing with a wheelbarrow full of moisture and heavy wet concrete and shoveling that in. This worked very well for me, and with every single post I would make sure that the concrete came up and was rounded slightly. The camera does not do this justice. I'm sure it looks flat to you, but this is sloping down. All of my posts are. Where there were flaws in the fence that I took down, I overcompensated for here. Half of my posts were not in concrete, they were just in the ground, and the concrete that they were in was maybe 10 inches deep. So it's a miracle that as much of the fence lasted 16 years as it did. So I overcompensated by making far deeper holes and using much more concrete, and then not backfilling this with a whole bunch of soil, right? You're going to get rot where there's moisture contact, and this is another thing you're going to see. Some people will say put 4 to 6 inches of gravel at the bottom of your hole. Some people will say don't do that. I ended up putting about 4 to 6 inches of gravel at the bottom of each of these holes before I packed it down and then backfilled with the concrete. I'm hoping that moisture that gets down here will drain into those rocks and subsequently go away from the bottom of the post. Same with the top here. I won't be backfilling this. You don't need soil contact. The less contact you have here, the lower your chances of saturating, and the lower your chances of saturating this area are, and the longer you're going to give your fence a nice, happy, healthy life. That's pretty much it. Just kept it simple. Yay, Quickcrete. Do you think I did the right thing? Ooh, leave a respectful comment down below. I think this might be a heated debate. Let us know what part of the country you're in when you're leaving that comment, and leave some tips for other people working on this project. Thanks a lot for watching. Up next in this 7-part video series, we're talking about staining and sealing the fence. Gotta love my notes. I've got a real long video if you want to watch me work on this 400-foot fence project, and then a very abbreviated version if you're short for time. Be sure to check those out. Thanks for watching. I've been Christopher. Have a great day. Bye.